I'm Darren Shultz with Shultz Design and Construction. I'm a second generation builder. My family's been in this area building homes, renovating homes for 30, almost 40 years. Part of our process is working with having our customers work with our in-house designers. We have three ladies that are on staff here that work with, they're almost project managers, or they are project managers for what we do. They handle a major majority of our projects. My dad, if you ask him, building in the early 90s or the late 80s was the selections. It seemed like most of the projects going on, there wasn't many selections. It was, do you want the dark brown oak cabinets or do you want the light brown oak cabinets? And today, the options out there are just endless, even on a lower price point home or project. I mean, there's so many different variables. So we really like to kind of get our customers, our clients excited about using our in-house designers, our design service, to kind of help usher people through that process. So these clients at our Caribou project they were one of the first that actually came to us, where they were talking to us while they were seeking a home that they knew they wanted to renovate. If you watch our video on our website for that Caribou project, I stated specifically in there was this barn door that the customer, our client, she kept saying she wanted something to like really pop. It was hard for her to put her finger on what she wanted, but once we finally landed on a barn door, she was looking online, she went to Rustica and found this barn door. It's like 8 foot wide, 8 foot tall. This thing is massive. It really is cool. It's really awesome. We were able to integrate a pretty cool bar, lounge kind of feel down into the basement. We were able to add a little countertop and place to store some wine bottles, and that was real nice. As well as the feature on the fireplace face turned out great. Our designers worked with our clients on that. A chevron style shiplap wood on there, and then also the mud bench. There's a lot of really cool features that the carpenters were able to help assemble and put together on that job.